What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video we're going to unbox Alpha Outpost. This is an outdoor subscription box. Let's see what this thing is all about. I love getting packages like that when you're not really sure what you're going to get. I guarantee you there's gonna be quite a few really cool gadgets. So let's open it up. Boom. Check this out. There's like what to do if you fall overboard, and there's little instructional things for what I believe what you got in the actual box. I love how everything branded for this subscription box, marooned. And what is this? Emergency strobe light. Whoa, this is a really cool gadget. I always wanted one. Turns on, it becomes like a little strobe light, like a glow stick, except it's a flashlight. We will need batteries for this. Looks like AA batteries. So this is actually would be very good for the boat. Instead of having flare, you don't want to set on fire your boat. This right here, electronic flare pretty much. So if you need to make a signal, you got a little LED flare pretty much. I love it. And you know what? It looks like it's supposed to be waterproof. I'll read the description. If it is, we're going to try to put it in the water and we'll see if it floats. Okay, let's see what else they got. 3M diving flashlight. Whoa, that's so cool. I don't have one. So it's waterproof diving flashlight. All these items will be perfect for the boat. I go fishing all the time, and you know what? Night fishing, you can't see the hook or anything. So this is perfect. I have a pretty small boat, so I don't have amazing lighting. We always have those cheap flashlights, but they go bad all the time. I'm trying to figure out how to open this. I think that's how it is. Yep. Looks like we need few batteries out here as well. And it's a LED flashlight. Looks awesome. So I'm going to get batteries and we're going to put that to the test as well. We're going to test the brightness, and also we try to put it under the water, see if it floats and how bright it is. If you love fishing, kayaking, this is a perfect little kit for you. Oh, there you go. There's the batteries for everything. It's include batteries, so don't worry guys. There's a lot more cool little things. What is this? Maroon. I love everything is actually designed for this subscription box. Oh, nice. I know what it is. It's a backpack. Wet backpack. Wow, this is awesome. So first of all, it's a waterproof backpack, but also you can carry fresh water inside there, just like a bucket. So it's dual purposes. You can keep water away from it, or you can use it to keep water in. So that's amazing. I really like it. We'll put that to the test in a little bit as well. Wow, I'm honestly very excited for all of these things. Alpha Outpost. Little floating device for the keys. Let's say you have keys on your boat. You wanna put this floating device so that way if you drop them, they don't sink, or for multiple other things that you don't wanna get drowned. Maroon Alpha Outpost little badge. Love it. This little gadget, let's say you're in the ocean on a boat and your boat is pretty small and engine died, so helicopter looking for you, so you can point at the sun and you see what you can do? Really flicker it so that way they can see you. Or you can use this one in the forest as well, where it's hard to see people. You can really flicker it to the helicopter so that way they can see you. But again, don't point it at the aircrafts for fun unless you need saving, because that's actually illegal. And in the back there is instructions. And right here a little whistle. Let's put to the test whistle. Wow, this is loud. You know what? Most of the boats require you to have a signal device. Beside whistle, it has to be like air horn, but in case your air horn doesn't work, this is pretty loud as well. Not as loud, but still it's perfect for the boat. That is loud though. Ow, it's almost hurting my ear. That's amazing. By the way guys, if you're interested to subscribe to Alpha Outpost, guess what? They got a promo going on. $5 first month of this subscription box. That's pretty cool. By the way guys, for some reason I just realized that I don't have a waterproof flashlight. That's insane. I always go hiking, I always go on a boat, and I even go kayaking, so that'd be perfect to get with you. And also I don't have this signal. I always wanted one because I see all these people with the airplanes. They're so cool, they're so useful. So I'm excited to finally get one of these as well. And this dry bag is amazing. So let's go up there into the pool and put them to the test. Okay guys, for the tiny flashlight like this is actually amazing. Turn it off, complete darkness over here, boom. Look how bright it is. Now I can see steps and everything and walk up the steps, no problem, right? And if it's off, I can hurt myself down here. So, definitely an amazing flashlight. You can see everything easily. This is what the strobe light looks like. White and then red. So it's perfect if you're in the water, got lost on a kayak or a boat, engine doesn't start, there you go, you can turn this on, put it on the side of the boat, and hopefully somebody will see you and come rescue. Pretty awesome, I love that. Let's go see if it actually floats. By the way, to turn it off, all you have to do is just twist it. So there you go. Let's see if we can carry water with this thing. I'm just gonna open it up. Obviously, we're not gonna drink pool water, but this is just for the test in case you find a lake or something. So what you would do is fill it up with water like this. Let's see if it's going to leak any water. Fill it up all the way. Oh, it's heavy. Boom. That's what you want to do. I might gonna take off half of the water because it might be too heavy. As you can see, none of the water coming out, but this quality is so amazing. So you twist it up all the way, and then we're going to clamp it together. And then I love the backpack handles right here. Let me step down and boom. Wow, this is awesome. And now I can carry a lot of water. This is at least 5 gallons of water on my shoulders, and I can carry it no problem. This is at least 40 pounds about. Say you're camping out on top of the mountain and a river down below on the mountain, and you have to hike about half a mile to get water. This is perfect. You can go get water, and 5 gallons of water will last you a day or two easily. Depends how much you use it. But yeah, I love it. How cool is that? Beautiful. And if you fill up your gear like sleeping bag, tent, or what do you do, hammock, that way you can really fill it up all the way. And this is a go-to mini camping bag. I love it. And that way everything stays dry, even if you fall into the water, maybe even on a boat. So this backpack is perfect for camping, on any kind of camping, even if you go kayaking as well. Whew, the pool is cold today because there was no sun for a while. But anyways, okay, let me show you how to use this backpack as a flotation device. So obviously what you would do is get as much air to it as possible. So open it up all the way. It's a little bit harder when you have to swim, but you can figure it out how to do it. And then what you want to do, while it's all expanded, close the top and then just start spinning it as much as possible, even more, so that way it's a good flotation device, so no air can come out. And you fold it and close it. And check this out, we have here a perfect little buoy. You can hold on to it like this. Again, I'm over 200 pounds, it holds me no problem. If you're lighter, you have no problem as well. You want to float for like 10 hours and try to survive till they find you, you can just hold on to it like this. That way the straps over you, you don't have to worry about losing the bag by mistake. You see, it just holds you. So this is nice. I like that a lot, using the straps as a flotation device. If I need to get over from one side of a lake to the other, I can use this thing and barely spend any energy. Okay, let's see if this diving flashlight will work underwater. It does not float, but it is waterproof. And guess what? It works underwater. How cool is that? That is super nice. And a strobe light, as you can see, floats pretty good, no problem. Well guys, definitely huge thumbs up for me. I'm gonna put all these gadgets into my boat, flashlight, we'll use it all the time, and whistle and this strobe light, you never know, you have to have safety. Beside boarding, it's perfect for kayaking. You can put all your stuff and keep it dry. Even if you get like flipped over, you don't have to worry about your stuff getting wet. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about this subscription box? Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.